Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a money-making machine. Don't believe me? I'll prove it in this video. But first, check this out. We're going to create a crypto mining Chrome extension that will earn us tons of money. No coding, no heavy setup, and it can even run directly from your phone. So, how are we going to earn from our extension? The answer is ads. I've integrated Adsterra ads, but you can also integrate Monetag or any other network in just one simple step. I'll provide all the necessary files and resources completely free for my subscribers. To start earning from the extension, you'll need an Adsterra account, which you can create in under 2 minutes, and a website, which you can also set up for free using the method I show in the video. You'll also need the ad.html file that I'm providing, a webhook.site link to collect user withdrawal details. Now let me show you the extension I created for you guys. Let's open Chrome and go to the Extensions tab. The Shiba logo extension is ours. Let me show you how the extension works for a user. First, click on the icon, and the extension pop-up will appear. The extension allows users to mine SHIB while browsing, but it requires an internet connection, otherwise mining will stop automatically. Users can click on Start Mining to begin SHIB mining. Next, there's the withdrawal section. Currently, the minimum withdrawal limit is set to 5,000 SHIB, but you can customize this too. Below that, there's an ad section where users can set the ad frequency themselves. The lower they set it, the more rewards they'll receive. While browsing, SHIB increases automatically, and an ad pop-up appears every 1 minute. Users can close the ad after 3 seconds so it loads properly. Moving on to withdrawals. After earning 5,000 SHIB, users can send a withdrawal request. It's completely up to you whether you decide to send them the SHIB or not. Let me make a withdrawal to show you how the details are delivered. I made a withdrawal request. Now, open your browser and search for webhook.site. We'll set this up in the next step, but for now, check this out. A request appears here with user details and additional information such as device IDs. Now, before showing you the project files, let's set up the additional things we need. First, let's create our website for free to host the ad.html file. Open your browser and search for Pro Free Host. Once you open the website, sign up, then click on Create New Account to make a free website. Enter your domain name with the given extension, proceed, and refresh the page after a minute. Then click on Control Panel, go to Online File Manager, and inside the Talks folder, upload the ad.html file I've provided. After successfully uploading, open a new tab and go to Adsterra. Sign up, then click on Add Website, and enter the website URL you just created. After that, click on the website name, and create a native ad unit. Copy the ad code, then go back to your ad.html file and replace the script section with your ad code. And boom, your ads are ready to be placed in the extension. Now let's set up the withdrawal detail collection. Go to webhook.site and copy the first address you see on the page. You'll need it soon. Next, open the project files I gave you. If you have VS Code, this will be easier. Otherwise, you'll have to replace the URLs manually. Open the manifest file. You'll see the sparkfusion.tech URL. Copy it, go to the second search bar in VS Code, paste that URL in the first box, and in the second box paste your own, as example given on the screen. Make sure there's no extra character after the slash. Then click the small replace icon, and that's it, ads integrated. Now do the same in the popup.js file on line number 184. Copy the full URL, paste it into the first box, then paste your webhook.site URL into the second box and replace all. Task finished, your extension is ready to use. You can also tweak the minimum withdrawal limit, add reward bonus, and mining speed by checking the guide link in the description. To add the extension to your Chrome browser, open Chrome, click on Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Enable Developer Mode, click on Load Unpacked, choose your project folder, and select Open. The extension will be added to your browser. Now, the real question is, how do you share it? You can make a zip file from your folder and ask your users to install it in their Chrome browser just like you did by enabling developer mode. Or the best option is to upload the .crx file to the Chrome Web Store. To create the .crx file, click on Pack Extension, and it will generate both a .crx file and a .pem file. Keep the .pem file safe, as it will be used to update the extension later. You'll need to pay $5 to create a web store developer account, but it's worth it because you can gain thousands of active users without the headache of manual distribution. Now it's time to talk about revenue. Let's assume you're able to get 10,000 daily active users. That's no joke, but it's possible because you're offering users free crypto for simply using your extension. You can promote the extension and grow your user base quickly. Now, check these images for revenue calculations. I am assuming 10K user browsing with the average time of 5 hours, with the frequency of ads set to 1 minute. One important note: if you're planning to start this as a business, make sure to use APIs from your own server and host the logic on the back end, not on the client side, for security reasons. The current extension works well if you can identify fake transactions, but since the logic is client-side, it can be manipulated. Contact me if you want customizations or want to change the logic to your server. I can help you for that. That's all for today. Subscribe for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.